Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. And dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 3 and Q-2 we are going to discuss today, and this is our lecture number 10 and there is no SW today. Okay? Look dear students, those who did not submit their assignment, please submit it as soon as possible. Okay? You can submit it after the lockdown too. Okay? Look dear students, here question number 2, Q2. Dear students, look here about Q1 we have already discussed it. We discussed it in our last class, and look here Q2 we have already discussed it in our live class too. Okay, in our live class, but today I am going to discuss number D. Okay, why has Ruhi's father called this gulf a store of inexhaustible resources? Explain. Okay dear students, now I am going to discuss about this question's answer. Look here dear students, you can write this like this way. There are many countries in the world which do not have any sea, so they have to depend on the neighboring states for trade and commerce with the outside world. But we are lucky enough for having a gulf named the Bay of Bengal, which is to the south of the country. Ruhi's father pointed out, look here, Ruhi's father pointed out the Bay of Bengal and called it a store of inexhaustible resources. His comment is appropriate for the following reasons. Look here, number 1, the Bay of Bengal sits with various natural resources. Number 2, there are about 5,000 species of fishes in it that satisfy our need and also bring foreign currencies. Then look here, number 3, there are 10 species of shrimps in it. Then number 4, we get common salt from the water of the Bay of Bengal. So we get what? We get common salt from the water of the Bay of Bengal. Then look here, number 5, it is full of snails, oysters, which are collected by many of our people for their livelihood. Then look number 6, the underneath of the Bay of Bengal sits with natural gas. I am going to say these reasons once again. Number 1, the Bay of Bengal sits with various natural resources. Then number 2, there are about 5,000 species of fishes in it that satisfy our need and also bring foreign currencies. Then number 3, there are 10 species of shrimps in it. Number 4, we get common salt from the water of the Bay of Bengal. Then number 5, it is full of snails, oysters, which are collected by many of our people for their livelihood. Then number 6, the underneath of the Bay of Bengal sits with natural gas. Look dear students, that's all about the question number D. Look, we have already discussed A, B, C too in our live class, but I am going to discuss about this question's answer once again. Look here, number A, what is the name of the only coral island of Bangladesh? I think you have known about this question's answer. You have already learned this, I think. Look here, so what is the name of the only coral island of Bangladesh? Yes, this question's answer will be what? Saint Martin is the only coral island of Bangladesh. Okay, Saint Martin is the only coral island of Bangladesh. Then number 2, why is Japan called the land of rising sun? This question's answer is what? Japan is the furthest eastern country of Asia and is situated to the east end of this continent. Okay, so Japan is called the land of rising sun. Look here, draw a map and identify the location of the mass of water seen by Ruhi. Okay, look dear students, here you have to draw a map and there identify the location of the mass of water seen by which is seen by Ruhi. Okay, look dear students, you have understood, I think you have understood this topic too. Okay, we have already discussed it in our live class. Okay, so dear students, look here, number D, why is his father called this gulf a store of inexhaustible resources? Explain. This question answer I have given here in front of you. So learn this at your home properly, and there is no SW. Okay, dear students, and those who did not submit their assignment, please submit your assignment as soon as possible. So dear students, I hope you have understood up to this topic. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.